I think by far this is the best implant course that's available online, and without a doubt it's going to help you improve your clinical technique. And I'm going to measure all the way up to the floor of the sinus. We go over our simplified protocols for assessing implant sites so that you know how to treatment plan your patients. We'll go over it on the mandible, so we'll show you how to steer clear of the IA and the lingual concavity. And in the maxilla, we'll show you how to avoid the nasopalatine canal and the sinus, along with a bunch of other technical nuances that you need to know in order to place implants safely. I'll show you what instruments I absolutely always have on me and which instruments are just nice to have. I'll also be showing you what motor I use and what speeds I use when I'm drilling for implants. We'll first go over the implant placement technique on benchtop models. I'll show you how to use your surgical kits regardless of what implant brand you have. You'll learn how to start your implant site, how to correct the angle, and how to insert the implant tube. And then we'll move on to the patient videos. In these videos, I'll show you how to place an implant in the maxilla and even how to break the floor of the sinus. I'll show you different flap designs and other surgical little techniques that you might want to add to your tool belt. We'll go over medical screening in a way that simplifies and clarifies your decision making so you can screen your patients quickly. As you progress through the course, you'll earn badges, and by the time you get to the end, you unlock extra content. That content includes tips for case presentation, insurance coding, setup materials for your assistants, clinical notes, consent forms, how to do immediate placements, extraction and bone grafting tips, and an explanation of a bunch of different surgical kits so that regardless of what system you use, you'll know which instruments are the most important and you'll be able to use a wide variety of tools.